Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Britain to finance Rolls-Royce to develop small nuclear reactors. Zara founder Ortega enters renewable energy business. Worldwide electric vehicles update. Coming to the details. Britain has committed £210 million to help Rolls-Royce build the country's first small modular nuclear reactor. Rolls-Royce Group, BNF Resources UK Limited and Excellent Generation Limited will invest £195 million in Rolls-Royce SMR Limited, a special purpose vehicle across 3 years in this technology. Smaller modular reactors offer exciting opportunities to cut costs and build more quickly, ensuring bring clean electricity to people's homes and cut already dwindling use of volatile fossil fuels even further. SMRs and can be made in factories with parts small enough to be transported on trucks and barges and assembled much more quickly and cheaply than large-scale reactors. The funding will enable the technology to take the new steps through Britain's nuclear regulatory process and help to identify sites where the mini nuclear plants can be deployed. Both Canada and the United States are developing so-called small modular reactors, although only Russia has put into operation a floating reactor using this technology. Spanish billionaire Amancio Ortega, the founder of Zara cloth branding, has entered the renewable energy sector with the purchase of a stake in wind farm run by energy giant Repsol. Ortega's investment holding Pontegadia will pay 245 million euros for a 49% stake in Delta Wind Farm in the northern province of Zaragoza, Repsol. Opened in March, the wind farm will produce 992 gigawatt hours of 100% renewable energy a year, which is equivalent to average annual consumption of 3 lakh households. Thailand's largest energy firm PTT PCL and China's electric vehicle startup Hozon have signed an agreement to expand Thailand's EV market. PTT plans to invest $2 billion over 6 years in EV production with initial manufacturing target of 50,000 vehicles per year. Chinese automaker BYD launched an all-electric multi-purpose vehicle E6 in India priced up to 29.6 lakh rupees. The all-new E6 is equipped with 71.7 kWh blade battery and a WLTC range of 520 kilometers with just a single charge. It has a 70 kWh electric motor offering a torque of 180 Newton meter and a top speed of 130 km per hour. It supports both AC and DC fast charging, which can handle charging from 30% to 80% within 35 minutes. Toyota plans 15 EV models by 2025 and is investing $13.5 billion over the next decade to expand battery production capacity. Additional news today. General Electric dividing itself into three public companies focused on aviation, healthcare and energy. India is in discussion with French energy giant EDF to build what would be the largest nuclear power plant in the world. Toyota Motor Corp will partner with four other Japanese vehicle makers to explore the viability of alternative green fuels for internal combustion engine cars, including hydrogen synthetic fuels derived from biomass. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 164.73 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 1 rupee 98 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 81 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 6 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 2 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 21 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 3.70 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 26 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.